of you. My dear friends, today is 3rd March. Now, what is so special about 3rd March? Any guesses? Friends, today is World Wildlife Day. Now, if you want to know about World Wildlife Day, then you will have to head towards the conversation these smart students are having. So, my dear friends, enjoy yourself by watching this act with a cup of a tea.
Bhaiya, what does this headline, India increases its wildlife conservation efforts mean? Why do we celebrate this day, Bhaiya?
Yes, Riya, today is 3rd March and it is celebrated as World Wildlife Day. This day is celebrated to raise awareness among people about taking care of the existing wildlife and plants.
Even plants.
Yes, not just the animals, plants in the wildlife need to be cared for too.
What kind of care, Bhaiya?
Nowadays, for development, we are destroying our forest by cutting down trees. This causes air pollution. Our action caused severe damage to the environment that harms many animals and plants. Therefore, we want people to realize that their actions are not helping the environment.
Bhaiya, but the plants and animals that were around us earlier are still here. Then what is this danger all about?
That is what we all think about. However, there are thousands of animals and plants that are at the verge of going extinct. In India, there are 132 animals and plant species that are in danger.
132 species? What are extinct animals?
Oh, I will tell you, Rahul. Extinct animals are those who are no longer living on this planet. For example, koeka, dinosaur, etc.
Yes, very good. In fact, some of the most common birds flying around us, such as sparrows, vultures, are too in danger.
Oh, that's why we are seeing lesser and lesser number of birds around us these days.
Yes, and before, all the species that were vanished from the earth, just like the dinosaurs, we need to take action towards their protection.
Yes, Bhaiya, I have also read that the life of human being can exist on this planet only if these animals exist.
Certainly, it is very crucial to preserve the environment on the planet. Also, the theme for this year is sustaining all life forms on the earth.
Yes, Bhaiya, Earth belongs to all of us and so does the responsibility of its protection and care.
Think good to wildlife, be good to wildlife, and do good to wildlife. Thank you.
So, my dear friends, I hope you all enjoyed this act. Now, Manya and Anisha of class 4th are going to present a very beautiful poem.
Hello everyone. See the seal swimming away, the little foxes as happy as a day, the baby birds flying above, the lions resting with their cubs. The animal seems also free until human kill them as much as can be. Why all this cruelty? Can't it stop? What have they done? What is up? Save the wildlife, keep them from harm, for they are God's creatures, only charm. Keep them free, keep them safe, have some kindness in your place. Thank you, have a nice day.
After this poem, Kareen is going to present her views on World Wildlife Day.
Hello everyone. Today on the occasion of World Wildlife Protection Day, I am going to introduce you about wildlife and its importance. Wildlife is a term that refers to all animals and plants that are not normally domesticated. They are a living resource that will die and be replaced by others of their kind. Wildlife plays an important role in our life. It includes all flora and fauna, plants, animals, and microorganisms. Wildlife is important for its beauty, economic, and scientific value. It helps to maintain the ecological balance of nature and maintains the food chain. Besides being a country's culture asset, it also provides aesthetic value to man. We all largely depend on wildlife for every elementary requirement. Wildlife and nature have largely been associated with humans for numerous emotional and social reasons. Wildlife plays an important role in ecological and biological processes that are yet again significant to life. The normal functioning of biosphere depends on endless interaction among plants, animals and microorganisms. So my dear friends, let us join our hands together and take a pledge to make efforts and try to save our wildlife. Thank you.
So my dear friends, that's it for today. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.